Alrighty, so what we're doing today is we're doing estimation, and estimation is something that you're going to do your entire life, especially when you get older, you get money, you got to start paying bills, you got to start estimating how much your bills cost, what you're going to buy at the grocery store, all that good stuff. So this is some of the stuff that's going to come in handy. All right, so we got a soccer team that averages 3 to 9 shots a game. This is the Wildcat soccer team, I believe is what it says. Averaging 3 to 9 shots a game. How many goals can they score in 3 games? Okay. So what you would do then is you would look at this 3 to 9 shots and you'd say, okay, well, if they're taking 3 to 9 shots a game, then that's probably a safe estimate to say if we added those two numbers and divided by 2, that on average, they're probably going to take about 6 shots a game. Okay. They score in about half of those shots that they take. All right, so we take 6 and divide that by 2. That means they're going to average right around 3 goals a game. So if they're averaging 3 goals a game, we want to know how many they score in 3 games. So that's 3 times 3, which tells me 9. Look at our answers. B is the answer. Next, we need to build a fence. We're hiring someone to build a fence. We know that it's going to cost $1.99 a board, and we have 366 boards that we have to buy for the fence. Okay? So Frank's charging $730, Jack's charging $370, and Marcus is charging $805. So what we want to do is we want to see what the cost is going to be. So we're going to take our $366 and multiply it by $1.99 a board. Excuse me, 366 boards times $1.99 a board. That tells me that's going to be $728.34. So we're looking over here. Which one of these gave us the more reasonable price? Well, obviously that's Frank. I mean, he's right on with how much that total is going to be. So Frank is $730. So Frank gave us the most reasonable answer, D. Next, we use about 678 cups every 7 days. We want to know how many that would be after 7 weeks. Okay, so all we do then is I'm going to take this 678 cups and I'm actually going to make that 700. Okay, that's the estimation part. I know that that's every 7 days. 7 days is 1 week. So if I take 700 after 7 weeks, that would be 4,900 cups. So if I go over here, that answer is going to be A. Because if you look at all your other answers, 4,200, that's probably a little light. I mean, you got 678 right off the bat, and 600 times 7 is 4,200, and we're already going 78 over that a week. So we know that can't be the answer. This is way over. This is like those people who are at the grocery store right now hoarding all the toilet paper because they're afraid of the coronavirus. And then D, 700. That's what we do a week, let alone what we do 7 weeks. So even if you didn't know the answer, you could decipher this and say, okay, well, C and D probably aren't the answer. It's either going to be A or B. And it would matter how you estimate. And you always want to estimate a little bit more than what you have or what you need, just in case. Okay, so what you need to do your estimation, 4 through 10. Save a life, wash your hands.